Got admitted into a non-network hospital? Don't you worry. Here's your complete guide to reimbursement claim settlement process. After discharge from the hospital, intimate your claim immediately via the Selfie app, WhatsApp, website. On intimation, upload documents for processing the claim through RGI website or mobile Selfie app. The insured and intimator shall receive the claim number via SMS or email. Post receipt of documents, an SMS stating documents are received and the claim is under process is sent to the insured and the intimator. The processing turnaround time from document receipt is 15 days. In case of any query, the claim processing team will contact the customer through SMS or email or outcall for the requirement of the pending document. One can download the query letter from the website or the Selfie app as well. Upload queried document on the website or Selfie app or courier it to our claim processing team. Upon receipt of queried documents, the insured and intimator will receive an SMS. The processing turnaround time post-document receipt is 10 days. Upon claim settlement, the customer will receive an SMS or email with a settlement letter. It is also available for download from the website or Selfie app. These are the documents you need for a hassle-free reimbursement claim settlement process. For cashless facility, get facilitated in Reliance's network hospitals and live smart with Reliance General Insurance.